Welcome to Jaipur, a city rich in the royal traditions of the erstwhile Maharajas of Rajasthan, to a city whose urban landscape today is going through a metamorphosis with efforts to improve and fix some of its infrastructure bottlenecks. The Pink City, which gets its name from its terracotta-coloured heritage buildings, is today taking on a whole new colour. Jaipur is changing, and the change is visible in the city's evolving infrastructure. While the walled part of town, rich in traditional Rajasthani flavour, represents old Jaipur, the city's urban architects are busy building a new Jaipur outside these historic gates. Roads, public transport, public spaces, all are undergoing a facelift.
The state government has taken a decision to develop Jaipur as a world-class city. It's one of those cities which is visited by each of the global visitors which come to India. It lies in the golden triangle of Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. We have embarked upon various developmental programs in the city. Our major efforts are for urban renewal of the urban infrastructure, how to improve the quality of life by providing better infrastructure, providing better connectivity, solve the traffic congestion issues.
The city administration's top priority is to upgrade Jaipur's public transport system. Jaipur is the smallest city in the country to get its own metro line. Work on the first phase is on track and authorities expected to be completed by July this year. A monorail for Jaipur is also being contemplated.
The metro phase 1 covers the CBD part of Jaipur. This covers about 10 km stretch from Mansarovar to Chandpur. With this completion of the phase 1 this year, which is one of the fastest in the world, I think a lot of congestion in that area would be addressed. It would provide for densification along the corridor. A lot of changes would happen as far as transport connectivity is concerned, and with the metro stations, there will be multimodal integration.
400 low-floor buses have been in service since the last 2 years. A bus rapid transit service is being laid out, and underpasses, overbridges, tunnels, flyovers, underground parking lots are all being built across Jaipur to ease traffic congestion. A twin-tube tunnel called the Ghat Ki Guni Tunnel has been built to ease traffic flow at the eastern gateway of Jaipur.
Jaipur's special feature is that the city is growing at a very fast pace, one of the fastest growing cities in the country. The average growth rate is about 4.5 to 5%. The normal growth rate of the cities in India is 2 to 3%. Jaipur is growing at 4.5 to 5%. And this growth rate is there for the last 50 years now.
A 144-kilometer long ring road will encircle entire Jaipur, connecting major arterial roads. This 6-lane access control expressway will have an investors' development corridor on both sides. Swanky business centers like the World Trade Park and corporate towers dot the Jaipur skyline today. Jaipur's economy till now has been run by its tourism industry along with the cottage industries of handicrafts, jewellery and textiles. But now institutions of higher education, super specialty hospitals and investment hubs are setting shop here. Water that has always been a source of concern in this semi-arid region is also being augmented.
Water improvement we have done by taking a water supply line from Bisalpur Dam, which is about 70-80 kilometers away. And then in our building regulations, we have provided for water recycling, rainwater harvesting, all that we have done here.
While Jaipur's beautification drive is visible in its wide, well-paved roads, musical fountains and ample signages. Built in the 18th century by the royals of Rajasthan, Jaipur today is being rebuilt into a smart city of the future. In Jaipur, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.